Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria, and in this video guys, I'm going to teach you step by step on how you can link your card with your PayPal so that you'll be able to pay and you'll be able to receive funds through the ATM card without any stress. Okay, all you have to do is to watch step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can successfully link your ATM card with your PayPal account. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to open up your PayPal account, which is what I'm going to do right here. So I'm going to enter my PayPal account via the Google Chrome right here. And then I have to make a new tab. Then have to go to paypal.com. Then when you get to this point, you have to log into your PayPal account. So which is what I'm going to do right away. So I have to click on login right here. So when you click on login, you have to log in with your PayPal username and your PayPal password. So I'm going to log in straight up. Alright, so once you are successfully logged into your PayPal account, this is how it's going to open up. So the next thing you have to do is to click on Not Now, because I'm using PayPal on Google Chrome web browser. I'm not using it on on app. Okay, so now for you to add your payment card, you can see the instruction right here at the top here that send payment in a minute. Just click on this point here. So this is going to open up this way. So this is where you need to enter your card information as far as your everything about your card, just such as card number right here, the type of the card. All you have to do is to click on here to choose the type of the card, expiration date of the card, and the security code at the back of the card. Okay, so I'm going to enter the detail right away. So when you are done filling your detail, you have to click on link card right here. All right, so at this point here, you need to click on done. Boom. So you can see the detail right here. So this card has been successfully linked to this PayPal account, and then you can use this card to make payment to any merchant online using your PayPal account. Okay. So you can as well scroll down and then set this card as a means of payment online. You can choose set as a preferred. That is, you are paying direct from the card each time you are making payment online. So you can see that this has been set as a preferred when you are paying online, which simply means that you can easily use this card to pay your merchant online without any stress. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you find this video useful, give the video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly remember to subscribe for more tips and tricks and all as far as online payment gateway is concerned. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.